What is in it? Oh, what's in there?
Hang on, let me get it. Let me get it. Let me get it. Oh, hang on.
He wants to take off the plastic
I know.
part too.
You've got to get it off. Your teeth can't. Your teeth are trying
Help him to. You can help you pull the plastic off.
It's trying to pull the metal off. What is it here? Let me get it.
Oh, it must taste that
get
good.
it.
It
I
must
can't
be
get
that
in.
good.
Oh, I got the wrong way around.
It's a
Oh,
baking,
it was already open that way.
it's a baking set, is it?
Baking set.
You make little dog treats.
Oh, yes.
It's the happiest dog in the world.
It's nice.
Oh.
Let me have Oh, yes. You better not show Judy that bit. Now, obviously, I thought there might be some biscuits in there.
So it makes little dog
Healthy recipes seasoned with affection. Oh, that was good, wasn't it?
That was
Fun.
pretty good. Oh, what is this? This is very lucky.